Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. As you can see right here, we've got this big button, System Update, so for sure you will not miss it, and let's simply tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the information, what kind of system update we've got, the version number of it. We've got also described what we will get after downloading it, and if any system update will be available, you will be able to simply tap on download and install it on your device. However, if you will not be able to update your system, your device will show you that you're up to date. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to check for the system updates, for the software update in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.